like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we will continue to post daily vehicles coming in, fresh inventory. This is the fastest way to see what we have coming in on a daily basis. Right now you're looking at a Tesla Model 3 long range all-wheel drive. We purchased this vehicle with freshwater flood damage. The water level was very low. Everything works in the vehicle. We completely repaired the vehicle. We pulled out the interior, dried the carpets, sanitized the carpets, checked all the contacts, put the vehicle on the scanner. The only issue with the vehicle was the 12-volt battery, and we replaced it. We're going to take the vehicle through the salvage process and get a rebuild title on this vehicle. We were also offered financing on this vehicle. Really nice car. Take a look inside. As you can see, it's very clean. Power's up. It does drive. No odor, no smell, no signs of corrosion. It's a nice clean car. We'll post it on the website soon. Come on. Thanks for watching.